Last time on Betty White the Bus.
Hammer, please?
Yeah.
Frustrated today, baby.
Tell me, oh, tell me where you're going. If you love me, then show it. Just about enough of this. If you love me, then show it.
Today we'll be using Bondo and fiberglass cloth to seal any holes and to make sure we have no leaks in the walls and in the ceiling. You'll want to clean the area first and then allow it to dry before starting the Bondo process. Read the instructions on the back of the Bondo bottle and use accordingly. When the Bondo is done drying, it should be hard to the touch, but still red in color. You will have to paint over the Bondo later. What we did for a temporary locking solution was we bought handles and we bought a long padlock, and we did this for the front of the bus and also the back of the bus. We wanted to make sure we added security before we went any further with the build, especially before our solar panels came in and in case if we ever left any power tools. But we always make sure to bring our power tools back with us at the end of the day, just to make sure we do not get them stolen. I would highly recommend do not leave your power tools in your car or in your bus build. Now we are just adding the other handle, and then this is what it should look like when it's locked together. You have a long padlock with a short padlock, and then there's a key that comes with it. Now we're working on the back door. Here we used a ruler to make sure we are even on both sides. We marked our holes, and then he began drilling the holes to make pilot holes for the screws to go in. We intend to replace the front door with a residential door and the back door with something else retrofitted, but for now, this is a simple solution that'll get us through the build. And just as we did on the front, we used a short padlock with a long padlock to secure both together and make sure that the doors had a tight fit and that no one could wiggle their way in. And for the last bit of security, we ended up taking off the outside handle on the back of the door. As always, thank you for watching, and if you liked what you see, hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!